एक दिन एक बच्चा सब्सक्राइब करके बेल नोटिफिकेशन ऑन करना भूल गया था. अगले दिन वो बच्चा ही नहीं मिला.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you guys are doing good. It's been a long time I haven't uploaded any video on YouTube because I was busy and stuff like that. So now I thought of making videos on IPL. So as IPL is coming, as you all know, and many people are very much excited about IPL. So I thought let's make a video of IPL, a series of IPL. So now I thought of starting from the teams. And so let's start analyzing the team. So the first team I'm going to take is Kolkata Knight Riders. Kolkata Knight Riders is my favorite team. I've been supporting that team from the start of the IPL when it started. I don't know. I really love that team. I always support Kolkata Knight Riders, and yeah, that's my team. So let's start with our captain Dinesh Karthik. Amazing batsman, amazing keeper, and amazing player. I really like him, but I guess he's a very underrated player. Last IPL he did not perform that good. He's just made 30. His average was just 31.62 with 253 runs, which is not that good. But I think he's gonna improve this season. He's gonna play better. But again, these players have not played from last 6 to 7 months, so we don't know about their form and everything. But again, I think he's gonna perform good. In 2018, he's performed good. He made some 500 odd runs and with an average of 49, which is good. So I think this season he's going to perform good for Kolkata Knight Riders and hope he does. So yeah. So the next player is in the list is Russell. We all know how dangerous this player is and what kind of damage he did to other teams last season. He was an amazing player. He was the only player that played great last season. That's what I think. So he's an all-rounder, amazing all-rounder. I really like him. Numbers just speak, man. He in last IPL he has scored 510 runs. With an average of 56, you can just imagine, like, he was the man for Kolkata Knight Riders last season with an highest of 80 runs, which is amazing. I like amazing batsman. And coming to the bowling, because he's an all-rounder, he's taken 11 wickets last season, which is really good. And average and the economy was also pretty much good. So I really like him. But again, the thing with him is, will he be good in UAE? Because he did play the TN tournament which happens in Dubai, but he did not perform that good. He won't be like he's gonna come and again smash sixes and fours and everything and gonna score runs for Kolkata Knight Riders. Let's not be in that mindset because these players have not played from last 6 to 7 months. So let's remember that. And also he had an injury, so again we don't know how he's going to play. And also he's not played that good in T10. I expected him playing good in T10, but he's not, which happens in UAE basically. He did not play well there. So let's not be in that mindset. But I hope again he damages many teams this season also. So let's hope for that. Next player in the list is Kuldeep Yadav. I really like him. He's an amazing bowler in India, but I doubt that he's going to play good in UAE because the conditions in UAE are not for the spinners. The ball will just not spin in UAE. How much ever you try to spin, it's not going to happen there. So I doubt. Last IPL he did play really good for Kolkata Knight Riders. 9 matches and 4 wickets. Average was 71. Economy was 8.66. Okay, not that good, or not like you will be like acha bowler hai, but I like him. But I doubt that he's gonna play good in UAE because ball is not gonna spin over there. These players will have a tough time, especially the bowling and especially the spinners. They'll really feel the pressure and will be really difficult for them to bowl in UAE. But let's see, he's an intelligent bowler, so let's see what happens with Kuldeep Yadav. So the next player is Lockie Ferguson, a good bowler, I will say, but he's not good. He has not been good in IPL. As you can see, his statistics not at all good. Economy is some 10, which is not at all good. But again, I think this bowler has talent, and he has been very good for New Zealand recently. So I think he's going to perform good in UAE because I think the conditions do suit him. So let's see how he performs in UAE. Player is Nitesh Rana. I was not at all happy that he's coming from Mumbai Indians to Kolkata Knight Riders. Like I was like, he's not that good player, and like I was in that mindset. But he came and he really proved that he's a good batsman. He has an average of 34, which is like amazing, and he made some 344 runs in 14 matches. That is again good. I rate him. He's a very good batsman. He's going to contribute for Kolkata Knight Riders this season also. He's a very determined, hard-working player. So let's see how he performs in UAE. But again, he's not played in UAE till now. So let's see how he performs in UAE. So that's another concern that he should have. But I think he's going to play good. I think he's going to play good in UAE. The next is Krishna. I really don't see him as a good bowler. He was an average bowler again. Okay, I think UAE mein chal jayega. Will have a good run for him. But again, not that good numbers that he has. Average is 94 with an economy of 9.34. Again, not that good. But again, let's see how he performs in UAE. Let's see. The next player is Rinku Singh. I don't know why Kolkata Knight Riders have taken this guy. Not at all a good batsman nor a good bowler. Like he does perform good in Ranji, but not at all in IPL. But he's a good fielder. I doubt he will be in the 11 of KKR, but let's see how he does. Not at all you can just see the statistics. Not at all good. So let's see how he performs in UAE. Shivam Mavi. This guy is highly talented bowler. I was really fascinated when he came to Kolkata Knight Riders in 2018. But again, he's not proven himself. Played 9 matches in 2018. Last year he did not play any match. He only took 1 wicket. He's a good bowler, but I don't know why he's not clicking in IPL. So let's see he plays. I hope he's going to play this season for Kolkata Knight Riders. But again, let's see how he performs in UAE. UAE is a completely different conditions out there. It's not like India. So let's see. Anybody can come and shine in UAE. So let's hope that this guy plays good in UAE. The next player is Shubman Gill. This guy, I really like him as a player, as an individual. He is a great batsman. I am telling you, this guy will play for India in coming days. He's that good. He has played last season for Kolkata Knight Riders. From last 2 seasons he's been playing. His average is 32.88. Okay, that's good enough. He scored some 296 runs in 14 matches. I like him. He's a good player. He's a good batsman and a good fielder also. So let's see how he performs in UAE. Again, he's not played in UAE, I think. So it's going to be a new challenge for him. But I think this man is made for challenges, and I think he's going to play really well in UAE. So let's see for that. He's going to play good. He's going to play good for Kolkata Knight Riders this season. Let's see. Let's see how he plays. Another player is Siddesh Lad. Spinner. I don't think he has any chance in UAE because ball is not going to spin in UAE. I'm telling you again and again. And this kind of spinners, I don't think Dinesh Karthik and the coach will trust him, because he only played 1 match for Kolkata Knight Riders last season, and I'm not expecting him to come in the 11 and play for Kolkata Knight Riders this season. But let's see what happens. You never know. Anything can happen in UAE, and anything can happen in IPL. So yeah. Next player is Sunil Narayan. I really like him. He was an amazing bowler in 2012, 2013 and 2014. I used to be like, oh my god, we have got an amazing bowler. And all the teams were afraid of him. But after the time he changed the action, everything changed. His numbers just dropped. In 2019, he played 12 matches and took 10 wickets with an average of 34 and economy 7, which is not as good as Sunil Narine should have. But again, let's see what happens with him. Again, I'm telling you, in UAE, the ball is not going to spin that much, so spinners will have a terrible time in UAE. So we need to see how Sunil Narine plays. So let's see how he plays in UAE. But by the way, he's a very intelligent bowler, so I hope he's going to do something. But yeah, let's see how he plays. Next player is Ian Morgan. This guy is an beast for Kolkata Knight Riders this season. The conditions in UAE just suit him completely, in and out. I know he's not performed good in IPL till now, any match since 2017. He has only played in 2017 also. He's only played 4 matches, made 65 runs with an average of 16. I know the statistics are not good, but I'm again telling you, this guy is good in UAE. He's not that good in India, but he's good in UAE because in T10, which happens in UAE every year, he has performed good for that side. So I am expecting that he's going to be good for Kolkata Knight Riders as well. So let's see what happens with Ian Morgan. Next player is Pat Cummins. Amazing bowler. We took him for 15.50 crores. My friends were like, what the hell, like 15.5 crores for Pat Cummins, are you guys mad? But no, I don't think so. I think he's going to be a great player for us this season. Until and unless he doesn't get injured, he's good for us. And the conditions in UAE also suit him, so I think he's going to perform really good. But his statistics are not that good in IPL. He hasn't played from 2018 in IPL. He has only played in 2017 with 15 wickets with an average of 24 and economy 8.07. Not that good or not that bad, but okay. I think he's going to play good for Kolkata Knight Riders this season, only and only because the conditions do suit him in UAE. So another player is Rahul Tripathi. Again, a good player, I will say, a good player, a good Ranji level player, but he hasn't proved himself in IPL yet. His statistics are, last season he played 8 matches, highest was 50, average 23. So okay, runs were 141. Okay, not that good and not that bad, but I think we should give him a chance this season, and let's see how he plays in UAE. The next player is Varun Chakravarti, an overnight sensation. Last season, Kings XI Punjab had taken him for 8 crores or something. This season, Kolkata Knight Riders have taken him. I don't know why he has been picked. He has only played 1 match last season for Punjab and has not performed that good. I don't think he was a good player for Punjab last season, and again, I doubt him play good for Kolkata Knight Riders this season, only and only because it's going to happen in UAE again. Spinners have no chance in UAE. I don't see him in the top 11. However, so let's see what happens with him. So the next player is M. Siddharth. I haven't seen him play. This is going to be his debut IPL. Kolkata Knight Riders have taken him for 20 lakhs. Let's see what happens. Let's see how he plays for Kolkata Knight Riders this season. Next player is Chris Green. He's from South Africa, right-handed. I haven't seen him play, so it's going to be his first debut. I don't think he's going to play for Kolkata Knight Riders at least this season, because we have a lot of overseas players. So I don't think he's going to be in the 11 of Kolkata Knight Riders this season. But again, let's see what happens with this guy. So the next player is Tom Batten. He's a replacement for Chris Lynn. Chris Lynn was an amazing batsman. I really liked him, but he's gone now. He's gone to our rival team, the Indians. So now to fill the void, we have taken Tom Batten. Again, good player, a young player. I really liked him play. He's an opener. So he's from England. So let's see what happens, how he performs in UAE. I think he's going to be a good batsman for Kolkata Knight Riders. The next player is Nikhil. We have taken him from Punjab. Why the hell are we taking players from Punjab, man? So he has only played 2 games. in 2019 and 2016. 2016 he played for Punjab, and now last year he played for Kolkata Knight Riders. He only played one match, 7 runs, that's it. Average is 7. So let's see. Again, I don't think he's going to play in top 11. So let's see. So this is the squad for Kolkata Knight Riders 2020 season, which is going to happen in UAE. I don't know what's going to happen. I think the squad is pretty good. I think at least we'll at least go to top 4. And if we win the tournament, then it's like great for me, because I do love that team from the beginning of the IPL. So my support is for Kolkata Knight Riders this season, and it's always been for this team. And again, our coach is Brendan McCullum, so I really admire that guy. He was my favorite player once upon a time. I used to really love this guy, and now he's our coach, so more good for us. And if you like the video, like, share, comment down below. And if you think anything that I told about a player is wrong or something like that, just comment me down below. I'll do reply you guys. And do follow me on Instagram and Twitter. And yeah, that's it for the video, guys. See you in the next video then. Bye.